If you're experiencing issues with a stuck update in Call of Duty, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve update issues. Make sure to fully exit the game before relaunching it. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, power down the system completely and unplug it for a few minutes to clear the cache. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting temporary files. This can help refresh the update process. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming it. This can kickstart the download process again. On consoles, you can do this from the game library, and on PC, you can do it through the game launcher. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can take some time but often resolves persistent update issues. Make sure to back up any important game data before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the stuck update and get back to enjoying Call of Duty. Good luck and happy gaming!